Local news for Tuesday, the 17th of October. Wairarapa picked up 10 gold medals at the 2017 New Zealand Extra Virgin Olive Oil Awards. The awards keep coming with 4 awards in the Best and Reserve categories, as well as 20 silvers. Lupine Olives took out the 2017 Best in Show, while Junior Olives won the Best in Boutique category for growers who produce less than 250 litres of certified extra virgin olive oil, while Reserve Best Boutique was Blue Earth, also from Wairarapa. The Central North Island Dairy Academy is offering up to $5,000 scholarships for its 2018 Diploma in Agriculture program. Academy graduate Jeremy Packard, who did his training at Taratahi, is an example of the type of top-class student that graduates from the academy. And in sport, not the best weekend for Wairarapa cricket. Away at the Chapel Cup. They finished bottom after 3 heavy losses to Hawke's Bay, Horowhenua and Wanganui, including 5 ducks on the first day.